Hello friend, welcome to your channel. How to know? In this video, I'm going to tell about the voting activity for GOVI. Okay, its a symbol is also GOVI, and there is a airdrop of 34,000. So let's see how you can participate in voting activity and can earn 34,000 GOVI or more. So before I started, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and share my video as you can. If you are new member on gate.io, then sign up link is also is given in the description section. From there you can easily sign up and get participated in this activity. So let's tell me. Uh, Listing vote program is one of the listing campaigning on the Gate.io. Users are encouraged to vote with their GT holding and can determine whether to list a project or not. It means if voting activity is going on for any token, that means listing eligibility is being decided by our votes. So if you want to participate in voting you on your favorite token, then just you have to be a part of the gate.io. So if the voting success, the project will be listed on the gate.io, and if the voting is not crossing 10 million round, which is standard, then that token will not list on the gate.io. And once it listed or success voting completed, then all the voters will get free airdrops. If not, the voted GT will be refunded and no fees will be charged. So this event aimed to attract more high quality project to get listed and bring more free airdrop benefit to its platform for users. So let's see what is the eligibility to participate in this activity. Just you have to be a GT user, and also you need to complete your KYC, and also you have to buy some GT token in your wallet. So let's see the detail of GOVI is given here. Voting period will be from 25th of January from 400 UTC to 26th of January to 200 AM UTC. Estimated listing date is 26th of January and at 400 AM UTC. Voting token will be JT, which will be used for the voting, and voting link is also given here and in description section. From there you can easily vote directly by directly clicking on this link. Trading pair, it is GOVI, will trade in USDT, and reward pool is 20,000 GOVI. Listing requirement is the project receive at least 10 million votes. As I already told you, for the listing on gate.io, any token must have to complete 10 million votes or above votes on the gate.io. So rule is also given. The user's vote will be calculated based on the average 14 days GT holding within 2 hours after the listing vote. Okay, thus the please do not make any changes in your GT holding before continuation the votes. Reward after the receive 10 million. If Govi is receiving 10 millions or more votes, then voting companies will success and all over voters are able to receive free airdrop production to the number of their vote. Okay, meanwhile, to celebrate the listing, vote deposit and new user campaigning are held for the 14,000 Govi, approximately 14,000 US dollar special reward for the participants. So for the registration, link is also will be given in the description section. From there you can easily get registered, but make sure you are having GT at holding pattern. So just you need to be part of the Gate.io. You need to verify first, sign up on the Gate.io. After that, you can easily participate in the activity. Okay, so there are some activity on basis of GOVI will be shared with the users. So first activity is deposit 600 deposit users to share 9,000 GOVI. It means 600 user will get 9,000 GOVI distributed equally in each other. And just for being eligible, just you have to deposit at least 440 GOVI. So deposit link will be also share in the description section if you want to deposit directly. So you have to just click on the link and you will move on that page of the deposit. A new user airdrop also is here. So just you there is 2,000 gobi is available for the serving all the new users. It will be shared on first come and first serve based. Third option is invite a friend and win 2000 gobi and mega awards. So a total number of 2000 and first come and first serve basis will be shared. And 20 lucky user will get 50 gobi. It win 50 US dollar. So participation in that Twitter giveaway, you have to just click on this link given in the description section. Let's see project introduction. Crypto Volatility Index CVI is decentralized VIX for the crypto that allows user to hedge themselves against market volatile and impermanent loss. So need to be careful before investing. And project name is GOVI. Its symbol is GOVI. Supply chain is 32 000 000 GOVI. Official website is also given. So let's check it out. What is saying. So here we have already entered on the website of CVI Crypto Volatility Index, where you can find out the detail of that platform. So here easily your required detail is available on the site. So just you have to click on the enter on the platform. After clicking, this page will be open where you can see the leverage value and token also. So all the detail can be seen here. It kind of the exchange here on the top you can see the new gobi stacking v2 program is now live on the arbitrum and polygon. For more information on the gobi stacking v2 program and how to bridge your token to arbitrum, then you have to click here. After clicking, a new page will be open and it look like this. Okay, gobi stacking v2 is now live. So here all the detail is given here. Therefore, we are happy to announce the new version of the Gobi stacking available on the both Ethereum and Polygon both token. So much more thing are given here. If I'm going to explain all the things in detail, then video may goes longer. So I will return on the get.io page. Here Twitter link is also given. So just you have to click on the link and just this will you take it out on that Twitter page. So let again come on the site, and I think rest of the things are about the risk and other menus on the Git.io from where you can easily check it out your rewards by the my fund and billing sections. Okay, risk warning also given here from you as you know that crypto market is very volatile and you must review all the aspects before investing in the crypto. So prepare your own risk analysis and then after you should invest on the crypto market. Hope this video is very informational for all the viewers and if more information required then you can comment on the comment section and I would like to thank all the viewers. Thank you.